Your mind won't stop thinking, not for a second. Thought after thought, question after question. What if this goes wrong? What if I said the wrong thing? What if I fail? What if I already ruined everything? Pause, breathe, listen carefully. Nothing is wrong with you. Your mind is not broken. It is simply untrained. Most people believe the problem is thinking too much. That is not the problem. The problem is believing every thought deserves your attention. Marcus Aurelius wrote that your life is shaped by the quality of your thoughts, not their quantity, not their speed, their quality. Right now, your mind is noisy because it has no direction. A mind without direction creates fear. A mind without discipline creates chaos. And a mind without control turns against itself. Seneca warned us long ago we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Think about that slowly. Most of the pain you feel has not happened. It exists only in mental rehearsals of a future that may never come. So when your mind won't stop thinking, do not fight it. Fighting thoughts gives them power. Suppressing thoughts makes them return stronger. Instead, do this. Step back from the noise and observe, not emotionally, not judgmentally. Simply observe. Notice how thoughts rise on their own. Notice how they repeat. Notice how urgent they feel. And then notice something important: they pass. Thoughts are not commands. They are suggestions. The Stoics understood this deeply. They knew that peace does not come from silence in the world, but from silence inside judgment. Ask yourself one question, calmly and honestly. Is this thought within my control? If it is not, release it immediately, not tomorrow, not later, now. Worrying about what you cannot control is a misuse of energy, and energy is life. Your power exists only in 3 places: your actions, your words, and your character. Everything else is noise. When your mind races, bring it back to what is real, not ideas, not scenarios, reality. Feel your breath, slow it down, long inhale, even longer exhale. Feel your body sitting where it is. Your feet on the ground, your hands still. Presence weakens overthinking, because overthinking lives in the future, and peace lives in the present. Do not wait for your mind to calm down before acting. That is a trap. Clarity does not come before action. It comes after action. Overthinking feeds on hesitation. The moment you act, it loses strength. Send the message, make the decision, begin the task. Small actions are not small. They tell your mind who is in charge. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily that he was alive now, not later, not in imagined outcomes. Now, train yourself to respond, not react. Reaction is emotional. Response is disciplined. When a thought appears, pause before engaging it. That pause is power. That pause is freedom. You do not need to answer every thought. You do not need to solve every problem today. You do not need certainty to move forward. Certainty is an illusion. The Stoics never waited for it. They acted according to principle, calmly, deliberately, without drama. When your mind won't stop thinking, simplify. Ask, what is the next right action? Not the perfect one, not the safest one, the right one. Do that, then stop. Overthinking often comes from caring too much about outcomes. Stoicism teaches detachment from results, not from effort. Give full effort, release the result. This single shift changes everything. Your mind becomes quieter when it understands it does not need to predict life, only to meet it. Make discipline your anchor. Daily routines calm the mind. Movement calms the mind. Writing calms the mind. Silence calms the mind. A disciplined life leaves little room for mental chaos. Do not confuse calm with weakness. The calmest person in the room is often the most dangerous, because they are in control. Overthinking fades when confidence grows, and confidence is built through repeated action, not endless thought. Every time you choose action over rumination, you strengthen your authority over your mind. Slowly, the noise fades, not because thoughts disappear, but because they no longer control you. You begin to speak less, react less, hesitate less. People notice. Decisions become simpler. This is not magic. This is training. A trained mind does not panic, it responds. A trained mind does not spiral, it centers itself. A trained mind does not fear uncertainty, it expects it. Remember this: when your thoughts feel overwhelming, you are not your thoughts. You are the one who chooses whether to follow them. When your mind won't stop thinking, return to control, return to action, return to presence. This is Stoic power, quiet, grounded, unshakable. If this resonated, stay with it. Apply it today, not perfectly, consistently. And if you are ready to take command of your mind instead of being ruled by it, write in the comments, I choose control. Your mind is a tool, train it.